Yeah. Coal India Limited has organized this interactive session with the industry for promotion of Make in India in heavy earth moving machineries. As most of the manufacturing units are located in and around Chennai, so we have called the industry, interacted with them. As you know, under the Make in India, Ministry of Coal through Coal India Limited is promoting the industry to manufacture for our HEMM requirement. In last few years, significant manufacturing capacity for heavy earth moving machinery have been added. Coal India has provided many enabling provisions to promote Make in India, and results are coming very, very favorably and positive.
Outcome of this?
The outcome of the event is that we have been able to share with them the policy framework. We have received significant suggestions. Now a high level committee is already working on it as to how further it can be improved. So the suggestions received today will be dealt by the high level committee, and I am sure that will further pave the way forward for faster growth of Make in India into this HEMM sector.
My colleague Shri Prasanna Kumarji, CMD Neyveli Lignite Corporation India Limited, Dr. Veera Reddy ji, Director Technical and CMD of Central Coalfields Limited, distinguished participants, friends from the coal sector, industry, media, ladies and gentlemen. I am very happy to be here at Chennai in this Make in India promotion conference on the mining sector organized by Coal India Limited. As you all are aware, and Dr. Veera Reddy ji has covered in his presentation, Honorable Prime Minister has given this call of promotion of Make in India in all sectors of the economy, and mining sector is one of the important sectors where significant import of heavy earth moving machinery was happening. Lot of foreign exchange outflow was taking place. Therefore, we in Ministry of Coal guided and aligning our procurement as per the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister, worked out a strategy to promote Make in India in the coal mining sector. I am happy that CIL has taken lead, and lot of enabling provisions have been made, which has resulted in manufacturing of various equipments being used in our coal sector in different manufacturing units of the country. And this effort is going on continuous basis. We have formed an expert committee under Dr. Veera Reddy ji with representative from industry and also different ministries. The committee has studied and submitted recommendations. Ministry has looked at the recommendations and provided for enabling provisions. And it is a continuous evolving exercise. Today in this conference, I would like to appreciate the efforts of Coal India, whereby through the relaxation in the trial order norms, through the relaxation of proven criteria and various other facilitative provisions, now many of the equipments which were hitherto being imported are now getting manufactured in India. I have an opportunity to visit Caterpillar India's facility in Kurnool Valley just now in the forenoon, and happy to see that 190 ton dumper, 47 of them have been supplied to Northern Coalfields Limited during the last 1 year, and similar such supplies are happening both for underground coal mining as well as the surface coal mining transportation from various manufacturers. So the purpose of today's conference is to apprise you as to what is the enabling policy we have so far carried forward, and to understand from you as to what else enablement is required to promote Make in India. Because our ultimate goal is that we should not be spending any foreign exchange outflow in importing machinery and equipments which we are using in our country. Rather, we should build capacities to export to the other countries. That is the endeavor. So through this conference, I am looking at your feedback through the question answer session as to what else is required to promote further manufacturing capabilities in our country, keeping in view the cost efficiency, environmental sustainability, post-supply services, and of course the best of the safety norms. So I will be very happy to look at the suggestions during the question answer session. To give all the participants an overview of the coal and mining sector, I would like to mention that currently our country is consuming about 1180 or maybe about 1200 million ton of the coal. As per different estimations, it is expected that the peak consumption of coal would be around 2047, and that would be somewhere 1800 to 2000 million ton. So, alone in coal sector, there is enormous scope of deployment of the equipments, and now you must have seen that Ministry of Mine has already undertaken 2 rounds of auction of the reserves of critical minerals. First round had recently concluded, and second round had been launched by Honorable Union Minister Coal and Mines Shri Prahlad Joshi ji 2 days back. So thereafter, there is significant need of these equipments, and now exploration has been opened up to the private sector. So we are hopeful that the geological reserves availability picture will be much more clearer. There would be much more areas for undertaking mining activity.